Hey guys, let me show you 10 things that I would bring to Maui. Want to see what they are? Stay tuned.
Hi Steve, we're on Maui and we are the Man Family. We love your videos.
Oh, thank you guys.
Love your
thank you
videos,
so much. Thank you guys. Thanks for coming to Maui from Connecticut. Man, these guys came a long way. Hey, thanks, man. Man is the last name? M-A-N-N. You guys, thanks for coming to Maui. All right, take care. Mahalo.
Mahalo.
Aloha guys, thanks for joining me today. You know, I've seen several videos about what to bring to Maui, to Hawaii, you know, to the Caribbean, to Cancun, Mexico, beaches, this, that. I want to show you here at Waikiki Beach Park. Patricia is shooting the video today for me. I'm going to show you 10 things that I would bring to Maui. Now they're going to be a little bit unusual, but I've lived here almost 20 years, and these are 10 things that I would bring. Let's start right now. Hey guys, the very first thing, you're not going to expect this one. Let me tell you something you should bring when you go to any beach, maybe when you go to the soccer games, the t-ball, but when you come to Maui or any of the Hawaiian Islands, you need to bring a whole bunch of washcloths or face towels or whatever you want to call them. They're what, 12 by 12, 13 by 13. Let me tell you, this is just a lifesaver for you to be able to wipe off your hands and clean off your face and put some water on it, cool off your neck. You know, you've had to shave ice, your hands are sticky. You will love having a washcloth in a bag, a purse. Guys, put them in your pocket, throw some in the car. Now, one thing you don't want to do is take those out of the hotel. Let me tell you, at the Hyatt and the Sheraton and Marriott, they make a lot of money off of lost towels. They account for every one of them. I love these washcloths, face towels so much, I even made my own with Maui on it. See? Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful washcloth? And you can buy these on my Etsy store. I'll show you where that is at the end of the video. Man, I love these washcloths. Ah, so cool. Hey guys, here's another one, number 2. Bring lots of $1 bills. See that right there? I mean, you need a lot of $1 bills, also some 5s if you want, but make sure you get a stack of 25, 50, $1 bills. Why? You're going to be tipping, you're going to be leaving a gratuity. Just yesterday, I left a guy $5. He had done something for me, and it was really like a $2 thing. I was doing a delivery. Hey, just keep an eye on my car for me a minute. Ran in and did a delivery. You know, I wanted to give him $2, $3 maybe. I gave him a 5, and he's like, oh wow. You know, make sure. Also, a lot of our machines for parking might be $6. I know there's some $6 machines in Lahaina Town throughout. Make sure you're not sitting there with 5s and 10s and 20s. I know the rule of thumb is to bring a lot of 20s and 100 because you can always break it. Let me tell you, bring some $1 bills. Also, throw in a few quarters also. Guys don't like quarters, so let the wife, the girlfriend, the woman carry all the quarters, but make sure you got some dollar bills. Hey guys, this goes without saying. You're probably aware of this one. Put everything in a Ziploc bag. I even label them with a Sharpie for charger or whatever. These are actually too small for me. Which size to bring? Don't get the small. Don't get the medium. Get the sandwich size, the bigger one, because you can always roll it up. Keep some in your bag, your purse, the car, so you can put your washcloth once it's wet or dirty in a Ziploc bag. Man, these things are a wonderful way to kind of compartmentalize what you bring to the island when you travel or do anything. Man, I just love Ziploc bags. Have hundreds of uses I won't go into. Just make sure you bring them and put some stuff in them and bring them with you. Guys, I was going to show you kind of what to bring from a medical standpoint. I had a little tube of Neosporin kind of an antiseptic little lotion or gel that you can put if you get a nick, you bing yourself on coral reef system. And then I remembered in the car, I have this little first aid kit. You know, bring something with some Band-Aids in it, maybe a little gauze, a thing of, you know, it's about to fall apart. You know, the alcohol little pads, all that kind of stuff, but a good tube of Neosporin, because you're gonna pick up a little nick here, a little nick there when you're out snorkeling. Your feet are going to take kind of a beating on an island. You're on a lava rock, not a whole lot of grass and dirt, so make sure you bring something, get a little first aid kit. I think you'll probably be thanking me a little bit later. Hey guys, here's another one. You're probably gonna wanna bring some sunscreen, some sun protection. I suggest you buy it at Walmart, Target, Kmart, Costco, whatever discount big box place you've got, but make sure it is reef, R-E-E-F protected. Make sure it's friendly for the environment. Why am I telling you this? Well, a lot of the snorkel trips that you may go on, snorkel boats that go out, they will not let you get in the water unless you're wearing sunscreen that is environmentally protective, reef protective. And of course, they sell it little bitty tubes for like $19.95. So pick up some of this sunscreen before you come to Maui. Just make sure it's a lotion, you know, just like a lotion that you might use to kind of moisturize your face or something like that. Hey guys, here's a tip about sunscreen. We think it's hilarious to see people come out here to the beach and they kind of spray it around the back and a little bit, and then they jump in the water and you see this film kind of drift off, and all the sunscreen they put on just got washed off of their body. First tip, guys like me, I never see anybody put sunscreen on their head. Even for women, small children, and guys like me who are kind of getting a little bald spot, guys, you've got to get some sunscreen up on the top of your head. Also on the top of your feet. Don't forget your feet. The second best tip I'm going to give you, do not come to the beach and put on your sunscreen there. What's best? When you wake up in the morning and you're planning a trip to go to a beach, put it on then, rub it in good. Let your skin absorb that sunscreen so you don't wash it off when you get in the weather. I even suggest you do it the night before if you want to put a little bit on. But certainly in the morning before you leave to go to the beach, put some sunscreen on. Don't wait until you get to the beach to put it on. You'll thank me later. Thanks. Hey guys, here's a suggestion. This isn't a tip. I've only got, what, 5 so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. This is a suggestion. 2 nights before you leave, have everything in your suitcase, everything laid out, everything ready to go, just a few more minor adjustments 2 nights before you leave. The night before you leave, take half of it and leave it at home. Take half out. It's ridiculous to see people come to Maui, any of our islands, with 2 or 3 of these big, huge suitcases. You don't need 14 pairs of shoes. Guys hardly need anything at all. Maybe a dress for a night out with some cute sandals, a little bit of heel. You don't need a whole bunch of shoes. Let me tell you guys, I know this is going to break your heart. We don't really care what you wear to the island. And in fact, we'd rather you look more like us, laid back, casual, blending in. Let me tell you, put everything out, take half of it out. You're welcome. Hey guys, I think this is the best tip you're going to get. By the way, my purpose in doing this video is if you just take one of my ideas, I'll be happy. Make sure you leave some comments below what you would have, brought. Say, hey Steve, you idiot, you forgot about this. Anyway, this is not exactly what I would bring. We've got a couple at home, but they've got a bunch of charges on them. Bring a power strip. Bring a power strip. Let me tell you what happens. When you walk in your hotel room, condo, house, or whatever, what's the first thing you're probably going to do? You're looking for electrical outlets. Here's something I learned. When they design a room, say at the Hyatt or the Grand Wailea or the Marriott, wherever, they design it for the furniture and they put the electrical outlets behind the nightstand, behind the TV stand, behind the bed. The reason is they don't want those ugly cables running around. Children can trip on them, people can pull them, all kinds of things. They want those electrical cables hidden. So what happens is, you're looking behind the nightstand, whatever. Bring a distribution panel, an electrical panel with a whole bunch on it. Let me tell you something funny. Don't ask me why. Patricia has 3 phones. 3 phones. I have 2. So we have 5 phones that need chargers. She's using my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus to film, and then I've got my one for phone that only is hooked up to a phone carrier. So we need 5 chargers. We need all kinds of things for tablets, laptops, or whatever. Make sure that you bring a distribution panel and put it in the bathroom. The reason is, right before you leave, you're going to be looking around the room. You'll forget the one behind the nightstand. You'll forget the one behind the TV. But you won't forget this because it's so visible. This will be a lifesaver and a money saver, I promise you. Hey guys, next up, there's 2 places on your body you really want to protect. Both of them, both ends of your body. Your head and also your feet. Let's talk about your head first. In fact, as I'm looking at Patricia filming this, she has on a hat. You know what, guys? Bring your gimme hat, your John Deere, your whatever hat. Make sure you protect your head. I told you about the sunscreen, putting that on your head. Also, make sure you bring a hat. Guys, the sun is fierce. We have no pollution, we have no fog, we have no smog. It's direct, not even clouds some days. You know, it is direct sunlight. You're gonna fry the top of your head. Girls, I grabbed a couple. Patricia's got about 15 hats. This is a cute one here, real floppy, covers her neck and stuff. Here's another one. She's wearing one right now. Girls, these are really cute. You can get some hats and wear them around and protect yourself, and you're gonna look good doing it. So make sure you protect. This one is your head. I'll talk about the other end in just a second. Hey guys, I talked about the head. I've got my hat on right now. The sun is beating down. Let's talk about your feet. Now these are called water socks or water shoes. You've probably seen them. These are a good thing to either have or buy before you come. Let me tell you, the sun is beating down and that sand is hot. You're also going to be walking along lava rock. You're going to ding up your feet a little bit because you brought a first aid kit. But let me tell you, these are not a bad thing to have. Also, if you've got children or teenagers or whatever, pick up some of these. I did this in another video. I love these things. These are truly kind of a water sock. Now, I got to tell you, I'm not happy with the blue. I look like a dork walking around the beach with blue. You should get black, then you're going to look like a scuba diver. But anyway, I wear these for the same reason, and also it allows me to slide into my snorkel fins real quickly instead of fumbling around in my toes and all that. Put these on, walk out there, put your fins on, and start snorkeling. These are truly a water sock. These are from Cressi, C-R-E-S-S-I. I don't know, they're like $9 or $10 on Amazon. Think about bringing a pair of these. Hey guys, make sure you bring a light windbreaker, ones that fold up really tight. You know, everybody in the family, especially women, if you're staying up at Kapalua, Napili, Kahana, Honokawai, it's very common that we get a little light shower, a little bit of mist of rain around 5 to 5:30. Also, the wind is blowing and it does get cool in the evening. You don't need a big sweater or a big coat, but you might want just kind of a light windbreaker that literally folds into itself. You might want to bring one of these. They're pretty good to have also. We like wearing these. I've always got one in the car. Patricia's got one on pretty much every evening. All right, make sure and bring a windbreaker. Hey guys, number 10. I haven't been counting them down as we go, but this is number 10. It's my suggestion, guys, about sunglasses. You're gonna wanna bring some sunglasses. If you have a pair of Gucci or Ferragamo or any of those names I can't pronounce, those sunglasses, don't bring them. You know what? Go to Target, Walmart, go to Costco, buy some inexpensive sunglasses that you're gonna be comfortable wearing, because you're probably gonna sit on them, you're gonna lose them, you're gonna leave them at a beach. I don't want you to spend a lot of money on sunglasses. Pick up a couple pair of inexpensive sunglasses, and that way if you lose something, you don't have a whole lot of money into it, but you're definitely going to want to wear sunglasses when you come to Maui. Hey, that's it guys. I told you 10 things I would bring. Absolutely. A hat and that power strip would probably be the most important things I'd want to make sure that we have. Hey, the best part of this video will be your comments below. Tell me what I missed out on. Tell me something else that you would bring. Hey, Steve, you idiot, you forgot about this or this or this or that. Make sure you leave some comments below. Like always, we really appreciate you joining us today. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time. Thanks for watching. Check out my Etsy store where you can buy all kinds of Maui products, a lot of fun stuff, memorabilia, souvenirs you may have wanted, those type of things. And Patricia and I will look forward to seeing you again real soon.